Palantir has become a standout in the stock market's AI sector. Known for its advanced data analytics platforms, the company began by offering software to federal intelligence agencies, helping them analyze large volumes of data to prevent future terrorist attacks. Today, Palantir is recognized as a leader in AI software with its Palantir Artificial Intelligence Platform, AIP, which enables users to create AI applications for tasks like streamlining workflows, inventory management, and procurement. Since the start of 2023, Palantir's stock has surged over 400%, making it one of the top-performing AI stocks since ChatGPT's launch. This impressive growth was recently highlighted by the news of Palantir's inclusion in the S&P 500. As the stock continues to rise, potential investors may be questioning whether it's too late to buy in. Can Palantir still offer significant returns and potentially make investors wealthy? While some AI stocks, like Nvidia, have seen explosive growth, Palantir's rise has been more gradual. Founded in 2003 and going public in 2020, the company is projected to earn $2.75 billion in revenue this year. In the second quarter, Palantir's revenue grew by 27% to $678.1 million, and the company is now highly profitable, with an adjusted operating margin of 37% and a 16% margin based on generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP. The company's profits have surged due to its highly scalable business model, with operating expenses increasing by only 7% during the quarter. Historically, Palantir has relied heavily on federal government contracts, but it is now diversifying its customer base. In the second quarter, its commercial revenue jumped 33% to $307 million, accounting for 45% of total revenue. The number of commercial customers also surged by 83% to 295. Palantir's recent performance has been impressive, with consistent growth, rising profitability, positive guidance, and a growing customer base. This is noteworthy in a market where many software stocks have struggled and are trading below their pandemic-era highs. Regarding whether investing $10,000 in Palantir stock could make you a millionaire, CEO Alex Karp highlighted that the company's growth is driven by strong demand for advanced AI systems. While Palantir's share price recovery since its December 2022 low has already benefited some investors, there are concerns about its valuation. The stock currently trades at a price-to-sales ratio of 82.6 and a trailing price-to-earnings ratio of 205. However, given its growth prospects, these ratios are expected to decrease over time. While other AI stocks like Nvidia seem to have plateaued recently, due in part to concerns about overspending on AI by cloud infrastructure companies and stock prices outpacing actual business growth, Palantir faces a different situation. As a software company, Palantir's demand for its products is somewhat independent of the broader generative AI sector. However, it could still be impacted by broader economic headwinds if customers reduce spending on new technology. With a market cap approaching $80 billion, achieving massive growth will be more challenging for Palantir moving forward. Despite this, the company's competitive advantages should support its ongoing growth. If you're looking to invest in AI or growth stocks to potentially drive your portfolio towards $1 million, Palantir is a strong candidate. Yet, diversifying with other AI stocks and buying Palantir opportunistically during market dips might be a more prudent strategy. Overall, based on its recent performance and the stock's trajectory, Palantir deserves a spot in any AI-focused growth stock portfolio. Although Palantir Technologies has been around for about 20 years, it has only recently garnered significant attention due to its AI-driven solutions that help customers save time and money, leading to substantial earnings growth. The stock has seen significant gains over the past year and recently received an additional boost with its upcoming inclusion in the S&P 500 index, marking a major milestone and underscoring Palantir's role in the modern economy. So, if you're considering investing in this high-performing stock, you might wonder if a $10,000 investment could turn into substantial returns. Let's explore that potential. While other AI stocks like Nvidia seem to have plateaued recently, due in part to concerns about overspending on AI by cloud infrastructure companies and stock prices outpacing actual business growth, Palantir faces a different situation. As a software company, Palantir's demand for its products is somewhat independent of the broader generative AI sector. However, it could still be impacted by broader economic headwinds if customers reduce spending on new technology. By the way, if you are benefiting from the content so far and want more like this, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications bell, and comment the word more. Just go ahead and type the word more so I know. Now that you've commented, let's continue. The stock has seen significant gains over the past year and recently received an additional boost with its upcoming inclusion in the S&P 500 index, marking a major milestone and underscoring Palantir's role in the modern economy. Let's review Palantir's journey to date. Initially, the company generated most of its revenue from government contracts, but in recent years, its commercial sector has seen significant growth. Palantir's platform helps customers aggregate and leverage their data for impactful decision-making, powered by AI. This broad applicability spans various industries, including healthcare, dining, and business services. As a result, Palantir's commercial customer base has expanded from just 4 years ago to 295 in the most recent quarter. Despite U.S. government revenue still leading U.S. commercial revenue, $278 million compared to $159 million, the commercial sector is growing at a much faster rate, 55% versus 24%. Additionally, Palantir is seeing substantial increases in customer numbers and deal values within the commercial sector, highlighting its importance for future growth. A key to this expansion is Palantir's innovative approach to introducing its artificial intelligence platform, AIP, launched last year. The company hosts popular bootcamp programs, over 660 in one quarter alone, where potential customers learn how to implement AIP in their operations. These events often lead to immediate business deals. For example, Palantir secured a 7-figure contract with a wholesale insurance broker shortly after a bootcamp. AIP is driving new customer sign-ups and expanding deals with existing customers in the U.S. commercial sector. Palantir also has a growing international presence, with government and commercial revenues advancing in double digits recently. This momentum contributed to Palantir's record quarterly profit of $134 million. The company's outlook for the rest of the year is positive, with expectations for consistent GAAP net income and increased revenue guidance. Palantir anticipates U.S. commercial revenue growth of up to 47% for the year. Overall, Palantir's impressive growth, driven by AIP and expanding commercial revenue, is promising. This growth is occurring in a rapidly expanding AI market, projected to exceed $1 trillion by 2030. Analysts predict Palantir will experience an 85% annual growth rate over the next 5 years, suggesting that the company may still be in the early stages of its growth story. Given Palantir's growth potential, its shares might still have significant upside even after recent gains. However, turning a $10,000 investment into $1 million with Palantir alone seems unlikely. For instance, if Palantir's stock increased tenfold, your investment would grow to $100,000, a substantial return but still far from $1 million. That said, this doesn't mean you should disregard Palantir. Relying on a single stock to make you a millionaire is risky. It's generally wiser to diversify your investments across multiple solid companies to build wealth over time. In this regard, Palantir could be a valuable part of your portfolio and contribute to long-term wealth accumulation, making it a top growth stock to consider adding now. Don't forget that God, the creator of heaven and earth, is the giver of all wealth. Acknowledge him in your plans and he will direct your paths. Proverbs 3 verses 5-6. If you have watched the whole video until the end, drop a comment like this: I stayed until the end. Just comment that I stayed until the end. When I see this comment, I will give you a heart. There are 3 more important steps to build wealth. First, like this video, subscribe and then turn on the notifications bell. If you do this, you highly motivate me to continue bringing to you transformative videos every week. Do not miss out on our future videos full of knowledge and wisdom. All I am asking is your subscription. Thanks for joining us today. Your support is appreciated so much. Do not hesitate to share this video to help someone. I recommend that you watch the next video, subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts about today's video. Thank you. See you in the next video by God's grace. We love you, and blessings to you.